Hi, my name is Redlich, and today I'm demonstrating the proper use of a 25.00 milliliter Buret. So I will begin by rinsing my Buret with deionized water. I fill the Buret part way. I let some drain through the tip, and then I pour the rest out to the top, turning so it rinses the sides as well. I will repeat this 2 more times to ensure that my Buret is completely rinsed. And okay. So now I will demonstrate that my Buret drains properly now that it has been rinsed. So I'm just filling it with a little bit more of my deionized water. Okay. So as you can see, it drains appropriately at the top, and from the tip the water drains easily, and there are no bubbles. Okay, so now that my Buret is rinsed, I'm going to do another rinse with the titrant, which in this case is also deionized water. But it's very important to rinse with the titrant because if any of your volume is not titrant, it will throw off your measurements. So you don't want any of the deionized water volume to remain when you do your titration. You want it to all be your titrant. So here I have my titrant, and I'm going to use my Buret funnel to pour it into the tip. And then I will do the same thing that I did with my other rinse. I'll let some drain through the tip, and then I will pour the rest out, turning it so it coats the sides as well. Okay, so now I will fill my Buret. So I close the stop top and I use my funnel, so I'll just turn it up. There. Yep. So I'm going to take my funnel, and I am going to pour in my titrant. I'm holding my funnel to avoid creating any kind of seal. I could also use a paper clip for it. Poured in a little bit too much, so I'm just going to pour a little bit out. Okay. So from here I'm going to use a posture pipette to ensure accuracy so that I get it exactly to the 0.00 milliliters. At this point, I'm going to use my reader so that I can more easily read where the bottom of the meniscus is. Okay, so now I can zoom in to show that the bottom of the meniscus is at the 0 milliliter mark. And that's 0.00 milliliters you go to 2 decimal points. Okay. I will now also show that the tip has no air bubbles. So that is here. There are no air bubbles. It is full. And then finally, I'm just going to check that there's no air bubbles, as you can see, within the solution, going all the way up. Okay, so now that there's no air bubbles in the tip or the rest of the Buret, I can proceed. So now, I will switch this glass, and I will adjust my clamp so that the Buret tip is around 1 inch into the flask, and so that I'm looking eye level at the minute. And now I will use this stop top to dispense some of my titan into my flask. Okay. And then I stop. So now I use my meniscus reader to read my volume, and I estimate I estimate 3.05 milliliters has been dispensed. So I'll zoom in. To show the 3.05 milliliters. So this means that I have dispensed 3.05 milliliters of titan from my Buret. Thank you. Don't forget to like and subscribe.